Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about Python list. How we can able to create a Python list means a list are one of the most variation data type that allows us to work with the multiple elements at once. A list is created by placing element inside the square brackets and separated by the comma. And also we can able to create for empty list. A list can have n number of items, and there may be of the different type of data types. Okay, how we can able to create means how my list is my object and equal and the square brackets, this is called empty list. And if you want to create my list and the square brackets inside that one dot two one dot two comma my, these kind of things we can able to do it. Okay, it's a multiple elements we can able to declare. And also we can able to use it for how we can able to access from the list. In this list, how we can able to access for the string values from the list means we can able to access the list values by using uh, index position. We can able to start with the index position, it's a 0, and we can able to access from the one by one value, and even we can able to try to access for negative values, and it must be integer value. It is like we can able to access from 0 to 9 and minus 1 to 9, like that we can able to access. And also in the list we can able to create for nested list also. Nested list means my list equal to, and I'm going to specify first string my string comma again square brackets 1 2 3 4 comma again square bracket 5 6 7 and 8. These are a nested list. Okay, and now I want to read from nested list as well as normal list. Okay, how we can able to use means we can able to use for index position. For index position we can able to read our list value, and I'm going to specify my list is 1, and here I'm going to print for nested value. Now my list 1, and I'm going to specify 0 value. Okay, now this is my index position. Just if I'm going to run my string value, it will be displayed inside the my string which value I want to read. And nested list, there is a first position, there list is presented again nested list. How we can able to print now first position string is there, and then inside the string how we can able to read another value, and also we can able to read for negative value. How we can able to, there is a list position we can able to use for this two array type. We can able to declare two positions, means this is the array, This is the value is a string format. Inside the string, again we need to read the value inside that. It's a nested type. Means again we can able to give, we can read the position is 0, it will start 0, 1, 2, 3. T value we want, we can able to declare for third. Okay. Once you declare this third, you can able to see now my string and a T value it will print. And also we can able to print nested value also. One the position I want third means 2, 1 and 2. If you want to declare for this one position, and inside the one it need to be print for third value. And also we can able to do for negative value. Negative value I'm going to declare for second means last nested list. Inside that minus 3. Yes, I'm going to run minus 3 means 0, 2, 0, sorry 1, minus 1, 2 and 3, sixth value. Okay, like this we can able to read nested values also. And negative index position just now I showed, right? Negative position also it will read. For example, also we can even we can able to mention for ratio only for colons, then we can able to print for all the values from that elements beginning to n values we can able to declare. And even we can able to see this simple value, and we can able to ratio in between the what is the how many values you want to print, that also we can able to showcase. uh, this is my list, and I'm going to use for print symbol, and here I'm going to use my list, and inside that I'm going to use for 2 is to 5. It means 0, 1, 2 here to fifth position need to be print the values. I'm going to use the values, it will display OG5. And even if you declare for print my list, and if I'm going to use the colons, it will print for starting to ending values. And even we can able to declare for, if you declare one side, then it will read for, it will provide for remaining values. My list, and inside that I'm going to use for 5 and colon. Then you can able to see in the fifth position onwards the values, what all the values are presented, that remaining values it will print. Okay, this is a format we can able to use for silencing. And also we can able to add and change from the list. How we can able to change the list means a mutable, because list we can able to change the values means their element can be changed, unlike tuples. We can use this assignment operators to change the item from that a range value. And we can able to use, there are some ratios, and in between also we can able to change, means what are the values in between also you want to change, that we can able to do a single value, a multi values we can able to change. How means, now here I'm going to use for same values, and I'm going to use for first value odd, and I'm going to declare for zeroth position value equal to 3. Okay, now if I'm going to print my value odd value, then we can able to see here it will print 3 4, means it is replaced. And even with the ratio we can able to use odd one on for the ratio, and I want to declare the value. Three values means the four. I'm going to use for 2 comma 5 comma 9, and I'm going to use for print odd. Then if I'm going to run again, it will change that all the values. And even we can able to add one item into a list by using the append the value. It can be append. And if you use for extend method, the several item by using the extends, add a several items, we can able to one time we can able to add for extend. Append means we can able to add it some values to that dot append, and I need to add for eighth value and print add. You can able to see one value is added. And even we can able to extend keyword. In this extend keyword, if you declare some values from the array, then list kind of value, then it will extend. And you can able to declare here 1 4 and 7. Okay, now I'm going to print for my number, and even you can able to see the values are printed. And even we can able to use from star symbol and assignment plus symbol to combine two leads and concatenating one. And also you can able to star symbol to give some repetition values. If you want to repeat that values in multiple times, we can able to do it. Even we can able to add some values like appending, like two list values we can able to append purpose, we can able to use plus symbol. Now print, you can directly can use print or less. Again I'm going to use for 1 comma 2 comma 3. Just appending this one, you can able to see the value. It will goes for added for the last position. And also if you want to repeat some values, then also it will repeat a multiple times the values if you're using for star symbol. How many time we need to insert, like repeat that count we have to declare. And even we can able to insert one item at a desired location by using the method of insert, or insert multiple items by sequencing it into an empty silence of the list. This particular value we can able to use, and we can able to change the value that particular thing. And even you can able to use for ratio, and you can able to change the values insert one. Now particular position I want to my list to equal to, I'm going to declare for 1 comma 3. In this I want to insert my list dot insert the self position, and you can declare for the ratio like this 2 comma 4. Okay, I'm going to print for my list 2. And if you run this one, and again you can able to see in the last position the values insert. What happened, 1 is not there, then it is took 3 and 4. The position means 0, 0th position it will take 0 to second position. then 0, 0, 1 and 2. Two position it is give the value inserting the position. And if you give that 1, then again you can see the position it will change for the first position it is presented, right? This is the first value is position and this one is a value, and we can able to specify some specific location. And even we can able to delete the list item. We can able to delete the list items by using the delete keyword, and it will be give us that entire one item we can able to delete from the list. And also we can able to print my list values, like deleting multiple values by using the ratio silencing. And also we can able to delete for entire list without providing for the location. That will give for entire values to delete. And we can able to use for remove, but it is empty list, and we can able to remove using, we can able to use for remove, and we can able to remove all the data. The given item for pop to give remove an item at a given index position, we can able to use the pop method to remove all the return value last items from its index position. We can able to use first delete to delete multiple values, delete my list 2, and I'm going to use for and print my list 2, and one value is deleted. Okay, and we can able to use the remove to delete all the values and all the pop value, which location value we want, and what exactly value we need to remove, that type we can able to use for remove. And if you use for clear means, it will give that entire values to remove, and it will give for empty list. We can also delete the items and a list by assigning an empty list to be using for silence, and means we can able to use some particular location to remove, or else we can able to use for empty list value, then we can able to remove all the values. And we have some predefined methods to list. There are a couple of methods. I'll provide you for these methods into the description. You can able to try on your end also. You can able to learn more about a list. That's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share.